Pagod na sila.
So, ano yung from a business coach before, now you're a metaphysical and transformational coach. What inspires you?
In the end, nakita ko na halos lahat ng negosyante in a space of stress, anxiety, overwhelmment. And even if they have the capacity to expand financially, the market is so big, parang
Yes.
ayaw na nila kasi nga pagod na sila. I think it's really brought about understanding that at the end of the day, kung ang strength mo lang is your hard work, kung ang puhunan mo lang is your strategic work, at wala kang faith work, mababaw talaga. So that propelled me to go into my deep understanding of spirituality and being able to introduce spirituality in every business that I'm handling right now. And little may I know, it's very effective, it's working, and 100% of the organization I'm working with right now, seeing number one, God as their own CEO,